In the bustling world of project management, finding a tool that can truly consolidate all aspects of your work is like discovering a hidden gem. Many platforms offer bits and pieces of what a project manager needs, but often, you end up juggling multiple applications for tasks, communication, documents, and timelines. This is where Nifty software aims to shine, positioning itself as an all-in-one workspace. So, how exactly does Nifty put work in order for project teams? As a project management expert, I see Nifty as a meticulously designed platform that addresses the common pain points of fragmented workflows and siloed communication. It essentially creates a central hub where all project-related activities, from big-picture goals to the smallest task, reside and are interconnected. Let's delve into its core functionalities to understand how it orchestrates work. 1. The hierarchical structure, from portfolio to subtask. Nifty's fundamental strength lies in its intuitive organizational structure, which mirrors how projects are often managed in the real world. Workspaces. At the highest level, you have your workspace, which represents your entire organization or a large department. You can belong to multiple workspaces if you work with different entities. Portfolios. Within a workspace, you can create portfolios. Think of these as folders for related projects. For instance, you might have a client projects portfolio, a product development portfolio, or a marketing campaigns portfolio. This allows for high-level organization and oversight. Projects. Inside each portfolio are your individual projects. Each project in Nifty is a dedicated space with its own set of modules for managing work. Milestones. This is where Nifty starts to get nifty for project managers. Milestones represent the major high-level objectives or phases of your project. They act as key checkpoints on your project's roadmap, providing a clear visual representation of progress towards significant goals. Tasks and subtasks. Under each milestone, you define your tasks, the actionable items that need to be completed. Tasks can be further broken down into subtasks for more granular detail. This hierarchical breakdown ensures that every piece of work, no matter how small, contributes to a larger objective. This structured approach brings immense clarity. Project managers can easily zoom out to see the overall health of multiple portfolios or drill down to the specifics of a single subtask. 2. Versatile task management and views. One size rarely fits all in project management, especially when it comes to how teams prefer to view and manage tasks. Nifty excels here by offering multiple ways to visualize work. List view. A traditional, clear list of tasks with columns for assignee, due date, status, etc. Kanban boards. For teams that prefer a visual workflow, tasks can be dragged and dropped between customizable columns, representing statuses like to do, in progress, review, done. This is great for agile methodologies. Gantt charts, roadmaps. This is a project manager's best friend for visualizing timelines and dependencies. Nifty's roadmaps, their term for Gantt charts, allow you to set milestones, establish task dependencies, where one task cannot start until another finishes, and see how changes in one task impact the overall project schedule. This is invaluable for planning and identifying critical paths. Calendar view. For a time-based perspective, tasks can be viewed on a calendar, helping with scheduling and deadline management. Swim lane view organizes tasks by assignee or other categories, giving a clear overview of who is responsible for what across different stages. This flexibility means different team members can work in the view that best suits their preference, while still contributing to the same underlying project data. 3. Integrated collaboration and communication. Fragmented communication is a major project killer. Nifty tackles this head-on by embedding communication tools directly within the platform. Discussions. Each project has a dedicated discussion area where teams can communicate about project-specific topics. This keeps conversations organized and tied to the relevant project, preventing important information from getting lost in email inboxes. You can create threads, mention team members, and even convert messages into tasks. Team chat, direct messages for quick internal chats or one-on-one conversations that don't necessarily belong to a specific project. Nifty offers direct messaging and group chats. Docs and files. Nifty includes native document creation and management. You can create collaborative documents, like meeting notes, project briefs, or wikis, directly within the platform. It also integrates seamlessly with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, allowing you to centralize all project files. File proofing. For creative teams, Nifty offers file proofing features, allowing for easy feedback and approval cycles on visual assets. This centralization of communication and documentation is a huge win for transparency and efficiency, especially for remote or distributed teams. 4. Automation and reporting for efficiency. Project managers spend a lot of time on repetitive tasks and reporting. Nifty provides features to reduce this burden. Workflow automations. While not as extensively customizable as some other tools, Nifty allows you to set up basic automations. For example, you can set a task to automatically change status or assign to a different team member when a subtask is completed. This helps streamline workflows and reduce manual updates. Time tracking. Nifty has built-in time tracking functionality, allowing team members to log the hours spent on tasks. This is essential for billing clients, monitoring team productivity, and understanding project profitability. Reporting and analytics. The platform offers various reporting tools, including project portfolios that give a high-level overview of all active and completed projects. Dashboards can be customized with widgets to provide quick insights into project progress, team workloads, and key metrics. This helps project managers make data-driven decisions and report effectively to stakeholders. Goals. Nifty's goals feature links directly to milestones, automating progress updates as tasks are completed, ensuring team alignment with strategic objectives. 5. Client and guest collaboration. Many projects involve external clients or contractors. Nifty handles this gracefully. Guest access. You can invite guests to specific projects with limited permissions, allowing them to view progress, participate in discussions, and access relevant files without seeing your entire workspace. This is crucial for maintaining transparency with clients while protecting sensitive internal information. Forms. Nifty allows you to create native forms, which can be used for client intake, feedback, or data collection, further streamlining client interactions.